Today we are going to learn linguistic theories about spoken languages and sign languages around the world, such as English, Hindi, Spanish, German, and so on are spoken languages. On the other hand, American Sign Language, British Sign Language, Indian Sign Language are used by different countries. There are five design features of linguistic theories which are present in verbal and sign languages. Structure of language includes form that consists of phonology, morphology, and syntax. Content, which means semantics, and the use on the level of pragmatics. Phonology is the description of the systems and patterns of speech sounds. In the words top, mop, pop, P does not have independent meaning but has the capacity to distinguish meaning of each word. Whereas in sign languages there are five parameters: hand shape, orientation, location, movement, non manual features. Let's understand these parameters of sign language. Hand shape. Which hand shape has been used for signing? Orientation. Position of the palm. Location. Space or place of the signs. Movement. Direction of the sign. Non manual features. Facial expressions must justify the signs. For example, index finger hand shape used in yesterday's sign. In location, sign for responsibility is done on the shoulder. The movement of the hands is up and down in sign for car. Palm is facing towards ceiling in sign for balance. Facial expression for happiness shows a happy face. Morphology is a description of morphemes. A morpheme is the smallest meaningful unit of a language. There are basically two types of morphemes: free and bound. In spoken languages, for example, cars. Here, car is free morpheme and S is a bound morpheme. Also, in sign languages, the sign for a car is free morpheme, but adding its feature is bound morpheme. In both languages, spoken and sign, adding bound morphemes in free morphemes changes its meaning. Look at another example. In spoken languages, adding the bound morpheme by in cycle makes it bicycle, which completely changes its meaning. For sign languages, adding a sibling sign in men sign changes its meaning to brother.